Hey you guys, I am super excited. This actually just came in the mail today. I got my August Sephora play box, and thankfully it actually came on the same day I had time to film. Like, that never happened. So first up, Sephora play box is $10 a month. It went through kind of a period of not really being worth it, but lately we've been getting better and better stuff again. It kind of goes in waves. So I'm pretty happy with how things have been lately. So I'm very curious to see what we'll get in this box. But it's $10 a month. That includes shipping. And of course you get a little fold-up poster every month that tells you what is inside and like gives you like usage details and stuff. And it looks like this month's theme is just like, they did like a little comic book thing. And then of course, like always, you get a Sephora Play card that gives you 50 Beauty Insider points if you use the code online, or you can take it in store, whichever works for you. All right, so here is our bag this month. Isn't that freaking cute? I love the color. Obviously. And the back says, open up for pocket-sized amazingness. Now, I did get an email that said, it was an email or a note, or I read somewhere, I can't remember. I know that this month, normally we get 5 sample-sized products, and then we either get a foil packet or a perfume. This month, however, we're getting 6 sample-sized products, which is amazing, because to me that is so much better, getting a 6 sample-sized product, because I hate foil packets. So I'm very pro an extra sample-sized product. So I'm just going to pop everything out here real quick. Open. Yeah. Ooh. First thing I see, Sunday Riley. Anytime I see Sunday Riley in one of these boxes, I'm incredibly happy. This is their A+ high dose retinoid serum. It says it's 6.5% retinol blend, CoQ10 and honey, and it's advanced strength retinol. Now, I typically don't use retinol. I tend to go with vitamin C rather than like retinol, because retinol tends to be very, very, very stripping on my skin. My skin does not react well to it. However, the retinols I've tried have been drugstore retinols. I haven't tried like a Sunday Riley brand yet. So I am going to give this a shot. Obviously, I don't have enough in here to be able to tell whether it will work amazing for my skin long term, but there will be definitely enough in here to know how my skin reacts to it. So I will definitely go ahead and give this a shot. And as always, I love their packaging. It's not sealed, it's a little goopy in there. And it smells like retinol. Yep. Okay, so I'm just going to close that back up nice and tight. Right now I'm actually experimenting with a new skincare routine. So I will go ahead and, what's the shelf life on this? Okay, it's 12 months. So I will go ahead and put this in that little drawer right there, and I will add this into my routine once I know that what I'm currently using works for my skin. That's pretty much how I test out all these products. Is if I'm going to a new skincare routine, I try it out for several weeks, and then once I'm happy with it, then I will experiment with the samples. And if I really love something, then I'll add that sample in a full size into my routine. All right, next thing is another skincare product, which I am so excited about. This is the Algenist Genius Sleeping Collagen. So this is basically a collagen mask for your skin, which is awesome. I freaking love collagen. I think it's amazing for your skin. This is fully sealed, so I'm going to leave it sealed for now just because I have so many skincare products. But I can tell holding this up and seeing that this just isn't moving, the product inside isn't moving, I can tell it's going to be very, very thick. So I cannot wait to try that. I've actually loved that we've gotten less hair products and a lot more skincare products. And the quality of the skincare products we've been getting in these boxes has gone up like a ton. It makes me so happy. And the next thing we have, again, is another skincare product. This is the Biosense, I believe that's how that's pronounced, Biosense Squalane and Omega Repair Cream. Let's pop it out of this box. doesn't want to focus on the box because it's so bright. Here we go. Ooh, cute. Okay, I love the packaging. That is so cute. It says it nourishes and restores the skin moisture barrier. I know squalane is excellent for your skin. And again, the packaging kind of matches my hair. Let me open this up. So the jar is only about half full, as you can see, which is sometimes typical. It depends on the brand. Some of the brands only fill the samples halfway. Some of them fill them all the way. It just has kind of a very light, soft, herbally scent, like nothing strong at all. All right, so I'm going to actually just go ahead and stack that with the other moisturizer we got. They actually like fit perfectly, and we will try those sometime soon. All right, next in a little bag, we have something from Moroccan Oil, which I think I may have tried once. I can't remember. If I did, it was a couple of years ago. This is their Moroccan Oil treatment for all hair types. So this is just a hair oil, which is excellent because I love using oils, especially on the end of my hair. Oh, that smells good. It's hard to describe, but almost smells like a pastry. Like that seriously smells like a chocolate croissant. It doesn't smell like chocolatey, but it has like that pastry scent. Okay, I'm a fan of that. But yeah, I will definitely try this because I love using hair oils. The only thing is I wish this had like a dropper or a filter cap or something because it's just a straight open bottle. So if you leave this open and knock it over, that won't be good. All right, guys, we have two more things. First up is Laura Mercier. I love seeing stuff from her in the samples. And this is her Caviar Volume Panoramic Mascara. I have not tried a whole lot of makeup from her line. I think her translucent powder is the only thing I've tried. So we will definitely give this a shot. I love the packaging. I'm always up for new mascaras and trying new mascaras. See the wand. Ooh, yes. But it's a pretty standard bristle wand, but if you look at it, the bristles are kind of done like in a helix. They kind of wrap around the brush, so that's kind of nice. Not a strong smell at all. All right, awesome. I will tuck that in my drawer and use that when I run out of the two samples I'm currently using. I rarely have to buy mascara, you guys, because I'm always getting samples. And typically I will get like 2 new ones before I go through an entire one. Like, it's insane. And the last thing is this. I freaking love seeing stuff from NARS in here. And thank you for finally giving us a lip product that is not from Sephora or Bite Beauty. Yay! This is NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. Let's see, what shade is this? It says it's the shade Dance Fever. Open this up. Okay, first up, this is a really nice size pencil. This shade is really interesting. It's not something I typically wear a whole lot. I don't wear brown a whole lot. Here is what the actual pencil looks like. And it is not a roll up. So if you have this, if you got this, you'll need a large sharpener like this next one I have because this does not twist up. I am going to just swatch this really fast. Oh my gosh, for a matte, you guys, that went on incredibly buttery and creamy, which is really, really nice. And that color is actually lighter than it looks, and it's a little bit more mauve-y than it looks on the packaging. Like, this makes it look really brown, but it's actually more of like a coffee mauve type shade. Like when you have that brown with that touch of purple in it, it's actually really similar to this shade, this Liquid Catsuit from Wet n Wild. This is the shade Give Me Mocha. This one's very similar. I'm just going to swatch this beside it real quick. Okay, so the Give Me Mocha is more of a warm tone, while the NARS Dance Fever is more of a cooler tone. Like, here's Give Me Mocha, and then here's Dance Fever. You can see the difference. But they're actually somewhat similar. I thought they were closer, but they're not. Okay, that is actually a tone I will wear. The only thing is we've been getting so many cool toned products as far as like lip products and stuff, and I'm surprised. Like, I like a lot of, even though I'm fair skinned, I like a lot of warmer toned products. So I do wish that this was just a tiny bit warmer. All right, you guys, let's go over everything like always one more time real quick so you can see everything we got in our box this month. For August, we got the Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum, the Moroccan Oil Hair Treatment. We got the Laura Mercier Caviar Volume Mascara, the Biosense Squalane and Omega Repair Cream, the Algenist Genius Sleeping Collagen, and the NARS Dance Fever Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. Most favorite and least favorite. Least favorite would, again, probably be this lip pencil. I love that it's NARS. The color's pretty, but again, it's a little cool toned. Like, I'm not sure. I'll give it a shot during fall. Like, it is a beautiful color for fall. I just wish it wasn't quite so cool. I wish it was just like a smidgen warmer, or that we got like a slightly different shade. And then my favorite thing, probably this, the Algenist Genius Sleeping Collagen, because I love skincare and I love collagen products and anything that is super duper moisturizing. And I love like sleeping mask type products. I think they are incredible. All right, you guys, that is everything for our August Sephora Play Box. I hope you found this video somewhat entertaining. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Also, let me know down in the comments below, are you still getting Sephora Play Boxes? If you are, let me know. Did you get the same thing I got? Did you get something different? What was your favorite thing in your box? And is there a subscription box that you prefer over Sephora Play? Let me know down in the comments below. Also, let me know if there's any other subscription boxes you guys want me to try, test out, review, unbox, because I kind of love these subscription boxes. They're so much fun. Let me know about any of your favorites. And you guys can also keep up with me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. I'm pretty much everywhere, and all the links for those are down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye.